know you guys are going to have a hard time hearing this. I've got a hold of something really big right here. I can't even get him up to see it yet. Got it on a jerkbait. Looks like a bass. I don't even have my microphone hooked up yet. Oh yeah. Woo! Watch out, Ram. Give me just a second, guys. I'll get my microphone hooked up. Alright, hopefully you guys can hear me now. Not bad for the first fish of the day. Beautiful, almost 3-pound smallmouth on a jerkbait. That's what we're out here for. Whew, I'm excited now. I mean, I am pumped. You gonna give me a kiss? Come on, Ram. I mean, I've only been fishing for just a few minutes. Whew. Oh, that fish, I believe it was that fish, hit me twice on a crankbait, and I missed it both times. I threw back in there with a jerkbait and only twitched it 4 or 5 times, and the rod just loaded up. I pulled into the fish. At first I thought I was hung up because I couldn't move it, and then all of a sudden it started taking off on me. But whew, I'm excited now. All right, Ram, in the back. Good boy. Like I said, I didn't even have a chance to hook up my microphone yet. But to those of you who have been following me on YouTube, I am back. I have a new job now that's going to give me a little bit more time to fish. This is only my 3rd time on the water in 2 or 3 months, whenever that last video I uploaded was. And those of you that were wanting to see me do the bit on the rifles, I'm going to shoot that segment hopefully this evening. Well, that depends on how the fishing goes. I'm actually hoping the fishing goes better than what I had anticipated. The river cleared up quite a bit. That's why I ended up throwing this jerkbait. I'm probably going to be sticking with it most of the day, especially after that fish. Oh wow, I was not expecting that to be the first one of the day. This river has not been producing for me this year like it has in previous years. The big smallmouth have just, they've vanished. I don't know why. I mean, that is the best smallmouth thus far this year on this river. I'll get everything set back up here, and then we'll get back to fishing. There we go. Another good fish. Oh, damn. Yes, another really good smallmouth. Here we go. In the back, bud. There's an old dock. It's all broke down right here. Nice 2-pound smallmouth. Yeah, she's around 2 1/4 maybe. And give her a kiss. Come on. Give her a kiss. Here. Okay. Got a little ding on her tail there. Beautiful fish. Cold, cold though. See if there's another one in there. That one there came off a little Eakins Finesse Jig. I think that one there hit it on the drop. It just took me a moment to catch up with it, because as soon as it hit, it was taking off. Oh, there we go. Another good smallmouth. I think it might be a drum. Weighs, no, it's beautiful, beautiful smallmouth. I love it when they're all striped up like this. But down there came off that little tree I was just talking about. I had to switch it up to a little heavier jig. Another one about around 2 pounds. 1 3/4, 2 pounds maybe. Hold on, bug. Yes, my boy. Good boy. Still a beautiful fish. All of them have been real healthy, or they're feeding up for the winter. All right, in the back, bud. Come on back there. Well, looks like I may not get to my shooting segment tonight if the fishing stays like this. That's 3 smallmouth around 2 pounds or better in 100 yards. Now that one there, he came off of wood. The one before it could be argued that it was on wood, because there's an old dock broke down in the water. So the first fish that I caught may have just been a fluke. Consider now I've caught 2 that could be on wood. That I just got bit on that limb over there. There's a small tree in the water. Oop, man, caught my line. But they're all coming from about the same distance from the bank. Microphone off. I just got another hit right there. I apologize for the audio, guys. There's nothing I can do about Mother Nature though. I'm on a river system, so there's not a whole lot of places I can get out of the wind. This river doesn't have a lot of tributaries on it. But this is fall fishing. You got to contend with the weather fronts coming through. Yesterday's morning low was 39 degrees, and today the morning low was 59. Dang leaf. There we go. Another smallmouth. Both of them are right on the end of that tree. Stay down, stay down. This is a good one here too. About a pound, pound and a half. Another one. Beautiful. Beautiful smallmouth. Dustin, I'm sorry. I was gonna text you this morning to see if you wanted to fish. I knew you had to work tonight though. That's another thing, guys. I've caught 2 right off of this tree. Oh my God, oh my God, oh! No, no, God, that was a good fish. But as I was getting ready to say, these fish will group up during the fall. They'll school up like this, so if you catch one off a piece of cover or structure, continue to fish it. God, that was a really good fish. I should have checked my line, but I didn't. Because the last two fish I've hooked down in that tree, they had me wrapped up. I was just excited and wanted to keep fishing. Oh, that sucks. I'd tie another jig on. Hope I got that box with me. In the back, bud. Now that fish, I was actually hung on a limb, and he'd come up there and grabbed it off that limb. All I'm doing is just worming this jig down amongst these tree limbs. You know, I'm not a bit bashful about throwing over a limb. You know, if you get hung up, that means that you're throwing in the right places. If you're not getting hung up, you're not throwing where the fish live. Putting that last fish in. That was another big smallmouth. And to top it all off, he comes up in the last. There we go. Another smallmouth. Another beautiful one. All striped up. Get him, Rim. Get back. Another beautiful smallmouth. This one here is only pound and a quarter maybe, but still really healthy. But like I was saying, if you catch one off a piece of cover, especially in the fall, continue to fish it. That's for all bass, well, all game fish really, any kind of predatory fish. But especially with smallmouth, they like to school up. Especially in a river system. But one important thing to note, most of my bites have come when I was throwing more up current to that tree. I'm gonna spin around and come back around to it. You want to usually bring your bait, especially a bottom bouncing bait, with the current. It makes it look more, especially like with a jig, it makes it look like a crawfish. Here in the fall, these crawfish, they get really lethargic. They don't like that cold water, and they'll a lot of times get pushed down river by the current. So to make it look more realistic, throw up current, just like trout fishing, or fly fishing, I should say. You want to let the current do most of the work for you with fly fishing. It makes the bait look more natural. For those of you that know a little bit about fly fishing, you'll understand that reference. I'm probably gonna have to switch over that bigger jig. It's got a better hook on it. These little finesse jigs, they got a really light wire hook, and I set the hook on that last one way too hard. He had so much slack in my line when he hit. Oh, hush up, Big Dobie. There we go. Little one on a jerkbait. Bluegill. Remy, I got a fishy for you. Here you go, boy. Got him? Okay. All right, come here. Hey. Drop it. All right. All right. Fish you back in the water. There we go. There we go. That's a little more what we're looking for. That's more of the species we're looking for. Largemouth. This is what fall fishing is all about. I've only been on the water 45 minutes and we are doing a pretty good job. Definitely not getting skunked, that's for darn sure. All right, Rim. Give him a lick. Good boy. Let's see if there's any more on that.